time for commandment number 3. Give the crowd what they want. Let's go! Okay, I'm convinced that there are only 2 reasons why a party can fail. Reason 1 is the DJ, and reason 2 is the booker that books the DJ. Because I've been hearing DJs saying this time and time again. I am the DJ, I have been booked. I decide what I play, I decide what the crowd hears, I decide how the night goes. I am the one that's been booked. I am the DJ, I am the star. They booked me, not you. Me. Me. I'm the DJ. And no matter how bad the night goes, it's not the DJ's fault. Also, the booker that booked that DJ, he will suck up to the DJ so bad because probably the DJ has a little bit of fame or he's famous and they don't really care about the crowd, right? That booker booked him because that booker wants to rub shoulders with famous DJs, right? He wants to be part of the gang, and that DJ is so full of himself, he doesn't care. He is the star, he dresses like the star, he wants to be the star, he decides. So no matter how bad the night goes, it's not their fault. And that's reality, that's how it goes. You and me, we are not famous. We cannot rely on our fame or a hit single. We really have to do the job. If we do a bad job, we don't get booked anymore. If they do a bad job, they don't care, they get booked still because they're famous. And that's why commandment number 3 is so important. We don't have any fame to fall back on, so we have to give the crowd what they want. If you're an EDM DJ and the crowd wants tech house, give the crowd tech house. Don't be that guy that says, well, I'm an EDM DJ, so I'm not going to play tech house. You just eat whatever I give you. If you do that, you're not going to last long in this industry. But sometimes it's the other way around, right? Let's say you're a techno DJ and you're at the techno stage. You've been booked to play techno for 3 hours. But you're at a festival, there are multiple stages, and like I don't know, the EDM stage opens a little bit later. I don't know, So there's another stage, and like the main stage, and it opens up a little bit later. Now there's another DJ playing, but nobody likes that DJ. So all the EDM people, they're not at the EDM stage. They start wandering around, and they end up at the techno stage, right? And then suddenly you have 500 EDM people in front of you, and they're also bored because at least you're a good techno DJ, but they don't really like techno. So everybody starts yelling, EDM, EDM, EDM. And you're looking at the booker and you're saying, yo, everybody wants EDM, and what do you want me to do? And the booker says, no, we booked you to play techno, so you have to play techno. Yeah, but look, it's 500 people, they're all cheering EDM. No man, we booked you to play techno, so you keep playing techno. Those situations also are reality, but you have to draw a line somewhere. You cannot be a human jukebox, right? Let's say you're in an EDM set, and a girl is pulling on your shirt, and she shows you her phone, and it says, please, play Spice Girls. Because probably she and her girlfriends, they practiced a dance or something. Come on man, you have to draw a line somewhere. But don't just say no or try to brush it off. Give her an alternative. Make her feel heard. Give her a high five. Make sure that everybody thinks everything is cool and send her on her way. Chances are that you talking to her is more satisfying to her than you playing her song. So just talk to her, be friendly, smile, yeah, I'll see what I can do. Give me a high five and a hug, and I'll see you later, and that's it. So without giving her what she wanted, she's getting what she really wanted, attention, and now all the friends think she's like popular because she was talking to the DJ and the DJ gave her a high five and now she's cool, right? That's more important to her than getting her Spice Girls song. So you're still doing commandment number 3, but just in a different way, and that's giving them what they want. Peace out, see you in the next one.